So last month, my channel made $1,192 with 80 cents from 146,000 views. However, my channel made over $4,000 in affiliate commissions from the same 146,000 views. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lester Diaz, and in this video, I'm gonna give you my best tips on how you can make over $1,000 per month on YouTube consistently. Now, when I say making over $1,000 per month on YouTube, I'm not simply referring to the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is actually my lowest income stream because even though I get a decent RPM, I still don't make the type of money that I want to make from the YouTube ad revenue. But what if you're a small YouTuber with less than 10,000 subscribers and you want to be able to make $1,000 or more per month? That would probably mean a lot to you because I know a lot of YouTubers, they just want to make an extra 500, they just want to make an extra 1,000. And so we're going to talk about in this video how you can do that over the next 3 to 6 months. So yes, even though my channel made close to $1,200 last month just from the ad revenue, like I said, my channel did well over $4,000 in affiliate commissions. And that's mainly because of this. These affiliate links in the description of my videos get consistent traffic to all the programs and stuff that I'm promoting. And some of these affiliate programs pay monthly recurring commissions. So that means I get to sell one time and I continue to get paid from those sales over and over again. So that is how I made over $4,000 in affiliate commissions from the combined income of all of those affiliate programs that I'm promoting in many of my videos. Those affiliate programs are usually products and services that I'm using myself for my own business and actually match the type of audience that are watching my videos. And because of that, many people actually click on those links and they go and buy those products and services. Some of those pay me a one-time commission, others pay me a monthly recurring commission. Now, some months I make more money where I'll make $6,000, $7,000. Other months I'll make $4,000, $5,000. It just depends on how many views I'm getting, how many people actually maintain their subscriptions to many of the services that I'm promoting. By using affiliate marketing combined with my channel, I'm able to bring consistent income and making over $1,000 per month every single month. So when you look at my ad revenue, it's pretty much chump change compared to the type of money that I'm making from affiliate marketing. Now, if you've never heard of affiliate marketing before, you don't know how it works, I'm gonna put a link to this free guide that I have that I created to show you guys how you can actually start making money with affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing actually works. It's completely free. You can download it in the description below. And like I said, I'll teach you exactly the different types of affiliate programs that you can use to monetize with your channel. And if you apply what I'm teaching you in that guide, trust me, you will start making money. So one of the very first things that I did when I first started publishing videos on YouTube is that I started actually promoting these affiliate programs that I would use on a monthly basis. So I created a template, and you can do this from within your YouTube Creator Studio. You can create upload defaults where basically it's a template that every single new video you upload already has all that information filled out for you, so you don't have to copy and paste. Basically, my template contains all the affiliate programs and products and services that I promote. And every single new video I upload, doesn't matter what the topic of that video is, it has those links in each of those videos. Now, keep in mind that I have over 400 videos, so you can see how many of those videos by getting views, and just for every 10 views, I might get 1 click in those affiliate links. So even if you're not monetized right now, you can still make money using this method, because if you're getting views but you're not monetized, you can find those affiliate programs and you can promote those affiliate programs that are related to your niche, and you can link to them in the description of the videos, and you don't even have to promote them if you don't want to. In 95% of my videos, I don't even promote anything. I just upload the video talking about one specific thing that I want to talk about, and people still go to the description and they find the links and they click and they go and buy, and I make money. So it's a win-win because they get the product and services they're looking for, and you get to make a commission. Now, of course, if you wanted to make over $1,000 per month with the ad revenue, you can basically get more views or try to increase your RPM. As you know, the RPM, the revenue per 1,000 views on YouTube, is directly tied to the topic of your videos. Some channels might get a higher RPM. If you have an entertainment channel, for example, you might get an RPM of $1, $2, $3 for every 1,000 views. In my case, my RPM, because I talk about business, making money online and things like that, I might get an RPM of $7, $8, $15 for every 1,000 views. So what you need to do right now, if you're monetized on YouTube, you can go to your Creator Studio, you can take your average RPM for the last 3 months, for example, and you can do some quick math to figure out how many views you need on a monthly basis to be able to reach over $1,000 per month. The lower the RPM, the more views you're gonna need. And if you need more views, you simply need to publish more videos. So if you're posting twice per week, you can post 3 times per week, or you need to take the time to find and research topics and ideas that you can use for your videos that will generate more views for your channel. And also it helps to optimize your videos for search. This is one of the things that I've done with pretty much all my videos. I optimize my videos for search. So that means when someone's searching something specific on YouTube, they might stumble upon my video because I have optimized basically the title, description, and tags to make sure that the videos get found when someone is searching for that specific topic. And if you need help with this, I posted a video talking about TubeBuddy, which is a tool that I use to help me research topics and also optimize my videos. I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you guys wanna see how TubeBuddy has helped me grow my channel and get more views. So guys, making over $1,000 per month on YouTube, it's not hard to do. However, you do need to figure out whether you need more views, more videos, and also you need to figure out what are the best affiliate programs that you can use with your channel to increase your chances of making more money, so you're not really relying entirely on just the ad revenue. So if you're a small YouTuber, keep working, be consistent, post every single week if you can, and don't give up. Remember, this takes time. The journey is different for everyone. Some people get 100,000 subscribers the first year. Some people take longer than that. I've been creating videos every single week for the last 3.5 years, and just now I've been able to surpass 50,000 subscribers. So it takes time. As long as you enjoy the process of making videos, if you do it because you enjoy it, the money will come eventually. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you did like this video, make sure you hit the like button below. It's really gonna help me out with this video to get this video pushed to more people. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the little subscribe button below. It's really gonna help me out. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.